Hello, hi, and welcome back to Makeup Mistress. Well, I'm Pamela, and today I am here to talk to you about skincare. मेरे लिए skincare बहुत important है guys. आप लोग अगर मेरे चैनल पे consistent हो तो आप लोगों को पता होगा कि मैं मेकअप से ज़्यादा being a makeup artist, I focus on skincare. और मेरे लिए विंटर का स्किन बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है बिकॉज आई एम अबव 30 तो माई स्किन टेंड्स टू गेट लिटिल ड्राई एंड समटाइम्स ऑयली सो इट्स अ वेरी बैड कॉम्बिनेशन पर this year I have chosen Bella Vita so that my skin can feel absolutely fabulous. Bella Vita Organic is the new age Ayurveda. हर एक प्रोडक्ट आपके जो भी प्रोडक्ट आप खरीदोगे आपको स्कैन करने का यहाँ पे जगह मिलेगा सो दैट इट इज रियल और नॉट ओरिजिनल और नॉट यू कैन डेफिनेटली सी फॉर योर सेल्फ. These products are totally non-toxic and sustainable made. They are GMP certified. These are certified Ayurveda products. They are not Ayurvedic. They are pure Ayurveda. And these products are not at all tested on animals. They don't use any paraben, any sulfate or any other harsh ingredient. So I was really impressed by the process that they make their products in small batches, and I just I fell in love with the products after I started using them. And this winter my skincare is taken care by Bella Vita Organic products. So let me just show you few products that I have incorporated in my daily life to do my skincare. You could see that there is a massive change in my skin, and although this is like winters and my skin gets literally it behaves so bad, but this time, so as soon as Diwali and Navratri was over, I was like totally sure that I need a good skincare ritual that I will follow every night. And here I have this this amazing skincare ritual for all of you guys. So my regime starts with the Bella Vita Organic New Age Ayurveda Sea Glow Face Wash. It has vitamin C in it, sandalwood, honey, coffee, neem, lemon. It controls oil, it is anti-acne, it detans and brightens your skin and soothes the skin. So I've sprinkled some water so that it gets a little wet, and then I could massage it. So I would always love to say that while you apply your face wash, you should massage it for good 60 seconds, and you can actually see the difference. Your skin will glow like anything. So the ingredients here is aqua, vitamin C, vitamin B5, rose water, vitamin B3, sandalwood, licorice extract, honey, aloe vera, neem extract, tulsi extract, lemon oil, coffee extract, and everything that is great for our skin. So this smells so refreshing, and it actually controls the acne and controls the production of oil, and this will give you a glowing and brighter skin in no time, because I could definitely see the results, and this feels so awesome. It removes all the oil and makes your skin look fresh and healthy, and I just loved the way this actually works on my skin type. You can see the result actually. So as you can see, I'm using this Nico Lips on my lips. This is a lip lightening lip scrub. It has walnut, beetroot and natural butters. This is the new age Ayurveda, guys. We all wear so much of lip tints and matte liquid lipsticks, and our lips suffer so much. So this is, I think, one of the best thing that Bella Vita is offering us. It gives us soft, supple red lips in no time. Now next is this eye lift. I cannot live without eye creams and eye gels. So this is the Bella Vita Organic Eye Lift Under Eye Gel Cream. This has cucumber, almond and vitamin E. It gives such a soothing effect to your eyes. It soothes the tiring eyes, because I work whole day either under a lot of light or I wear a lot of makeup. So this is such a relief to my eyes. I'll highly recommend this, guys. You just need to apply a little bit of it, and And guys, this is Skin Solve. I must say this actually solves all your problems. This is a multi-benefit butter balm. This is such a buttery kind of a balm. It gives you radiant, soft and supple skin. It actually heals anything that is dry. It repairs your skin. It lightens your stretch marks. It becomes a base for your makeup. And it is also, it soothes your skin if it is irritated or if you have rashes. So I think this is such a beautiful multi tasking cream. You can use it on your face, on your elbows and knees and everywhere, like anything, anywhere. It'll be like a great product. So my body, if you guys know, it is so important to me. My body skin is literally very dry and I love to take care of it. So this is the exfoliate face and body scrub grit. It removes dead skin, it detans and polishes. It again has walnut, coffee, coconut oil and rock salt. You guys know that I always love coffee on my body and coconut oil. So this ingredient can be used, like this product can be used on your face and body. I love to exfoliate my body, neck and arms and feet and everywhere. You just need to mix it with either water, milk, aloe vera gel, anything you feel good about, and you just get flawless soft supple skin in no time. And after this, I will always recommend you to use the Skin Solve. And you'll be amazed with the result. You'll be amazed with this routine. If you follow, guys, you'll need nothing else. You'll be so happy. So that was it. I hope you all enjoyed, and I was really happy after using this. And you could see me using these products really a lot. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you will definitely see. And if I'll be traveling and I'll be taking all of these products along with me, and I highly recommend this. All the links and everything will be down in the description box. So do check it out, and I'm really sure that you won't be disappointed, because आज तक किसी ने नहीं बोला कि आपने ये रेकमेंड किया तो ये मुझे सूट नहीं किया, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. आई कैन डेफिनेटली से, क्योंकि इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं इनके वेबसाइट पे, हर एक के लिए यू विल गेट एवरीथिंग, लाइक कुछ ना कुछ सबके लिए है. तो प्लीज जाके चेक करिए. मुझे डेफिनेटली पता है कि सबको बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा, एंड दे आर रीजनेबली प्राइस. एंड मैं कितना अच्छा बोलूँ और लगेगा मुझे पैसा मिल रहा है, बट नो, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग पेड फॉर saying all these stuff. And I really am saying this from my heart. And yeah, that is it for today. I hope to see you guys really soon. Tab tak ke liye subscribe to Makeup Mistress and follow me on Instagram, which is Pamela_Makeup Mistress. And stay gorgeous.